Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizwan. I'm studying in AMI Makassar. My major is Nautica Department Level 2. The engine room is placed in shaped large vessel where the primary machinery and system that power the vessel are housed. It is located below deck, often in the lower part of the vessel, and typically where the ship's engine, electrical generator pumps, and other mechanical systems are installed. This area vital are ensuring the smooth operation of the vessel, and it's managed by a team of engineers and technicians known as the engine room crew. The first main engine, the primary engine or engineers are responsible for providing propulsion to the ship. These are typically large diesel or gas turbines depending on the type of the vessel. The engine is connected to a propeller or water jet, which moves the ship through the water it turns. The second is generator. This engine produces the electricity for the vessel power needs such as lighting, navigation system, communication system, and crew accommodation. There may be multiple generators, especially on large ships to ensure redundancy in case on fails. The third is auxiliary engines. Smaller engines is the superfluous system like air conditioning, fresh water pumps, sewage treatment, and other auxiliary functions. Four is pump and valves. A range of pumps are used in the engine room, including those for cooling water, fuel oil, bleed water to pump out water that collects in the ship lower complements. Or five, fuel system. Ships often on large amounts of fuel, and engine rooms housed in the fuel storage and distribution system. This includes fuel tanks, filtration system, and fuel pump. Propeller fuel management is critical to safe and efficient operation. 6. Cooling system. Engine generates significant heat to efficient cooling. Is critical to prevent overheating. Freshwater or seawater-based cooling system are commonly engines on the machinery. The control panels on monitoring system. Modern engine rooms are equipped with by advanced digital control system that allow engineers to monitor and adjust operation of the engine and other system. This can include parameters like engine, fuel and combustion, temperature, pressure, and emission levels. Alarm and automated system help warn the crew of any potential malfunctions. 8. Ventilation and air conditioning. Engine rooms can become extremely hot, so ventilation and cooling systems are in place to regulate temperature and ensure air circulation. This is critical for both the mechanic operation and the safety of the crew working in the space. 9 is safety system. Due to high rise associated with operation large engines and heavy machinery, engine rooms are equipped with safety equipment like fire suppression system, emergency shut condition like oil leaks, fire or gas build up. Thanks. Maybe this is from me. Thanks for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.